Stop! Prince Islam is coming.
Enough! This should stop. If ever this will happen again, the pulpit will put you in prison for life. Off you go now.
Romeo! Romeo! Oh, there you are. Why do you look so gloomy? Is that a long letter? For whom? This is for Rosalyn Victoria. But she doesn't love me. She's fought for love another. So that's why this is sad. But you have to forget her. How, Benvolio? How? Where's the friar? In the praying room. Oh Lord, I pray for the peace of Verona. Oh sir. Yes. Did you read this for me? What is this? This is the list of the Catholic bar. Oh, we should go. We are going for a mass anyway. Oh, here you go. Thank you. This is my daughter's room. So this is
Juliet, really happening?
oh, what a beautiful name. Why does Lady Capulet is calling her?
Because she is her mother.
I'm in love with her.
Romeo, how dare you, Montague, Fitzwat, and our protective.
Romeo, you're masked. Let's go.
Nurse, find out who that man is, the one I was fancying.
He is Romeo. He is a Montague.
Romeo, where are you going?
Go get him. He's a madman and a lover. Let's go.
Oh, Romeo, you are from Montague. Oh, I don't care anymore. Just once, accept my love, and I will stop being a Capulet. Why did you leave? We had and yearned for more.
I did be.
What are you doing here?
After I confess to love, I also love you.
Romeo, go now!
Stay here. Stay by my side. I love you.
If you truly love me, propose marriage, and then I shall be your wife.
By us, out of time to marry us at my love.
There I will be. Now, go! Hurry!
Good night, Mary.
Good night, my Romeo.
You are now husband and wife. So look at this. Who said this to Romeo?
Romeo is a lover, not a fighter.
What now?
When we will come, you will find me not me.
We're gonna stop!
Goodbye, my friend.
No! No! Yay! Done! You'll be put in prison!
Tell me what happened. Romeo will be banished in Verona.
Dam's husband.
How was my Juliet?
She is in there, crying.
What I have done?
Juliet always loves you, Romeo.
I have good news. Marry Juliet on this Thursday.
I like Juliet. I have waited for love.
On this Thursday.
No, I don't want to marry him.
Here, take this. This is a sleeping potion. It will help you. Oh my Juliet. What happened? Oh my love. What have you done?
Oh, Romeo, is that you?